Good afternoon, race fans. We wanted everybody to be a part of the maiden voyage of the former TV show car Ginger. Also, you've seen on the shop page, Project Resurrection. We've done some electrical, we've done some motor work, tranny work, suspension, steering linkage. We've done a whole bunch of stuff to it. So now it's time for the payoff. Hit the fuel pump for a second. Let some gas get in it. Kelly Coates, this one's for you, bud. All right, she cranks right up. Hit the fuel pump so she stays running. It is dark outside. We've been working all afternoon. Turn the lights on. All right, she's in reverse. The brakes are running. No leaks noticed. The power steering's working real good. Okay, we're in drive. We're going forward. Goose it just a little bit. Test the brakes. Brakes are working real good. Okay, we are getting a little bit of pumpiness, spongy out of the power steering. So there's a little bit of air left in it. But she is done. For you, Kelly.